Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, February 14th, St. Valentine's Day 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. And on this St. Valentine's Day, I am in love with the stock market. Hey, this thing won't quit, will it? The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 126 points today, and we had another great day. I mean, we haven't had bad days this week. It just keeps going up, and so does our equity. Very happy with that. You know, you wonder what's driving this market? And I'll tell you what's driving this market. It's all the crazy bears out there. Everybody's saying, oh, this thing is going up and up and up. It's got to come back. It's got to come back. And, you know, I've said this time again, you got to understand the market is not going to let majority opinion rule. Market is always going to go against majority, and it's only the minority that's going to make money, and we are the minority. I'm saying it's a bull, it's going to go, it's going to keep going for a long time, and I am the distinct minority. And there's people out there absolutely hate me for saying this. I'm not kidding you. They just got really upset, but I'm going to keep saying it, and we're going to keep making money with it. Anyway, great day today. We closed out $15,000 in closed out trades, and we are carrying almost $13,000 positive in open trade equity over the weekend going into this next Monday. And you know, the market opened up. The Dow was much lower than where it closed, and we were up right after the open, up about $31,000, I think. And a lot of the positions we had kind of faded, but we had a couple that didn't fade, and so, you know, they kind of canceled themselves. We basically got out with $29,000 today, and this is coming after just piles of profits day after day after day. So we're doing just great. I'll show you the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and you can see here, you know, that was that flattening period, which I call the lows. The market is not going to go to those lows until it's exceeded its previous all-time highs by a considerable amount. This was the correction. And people talking about the bears out there, I was talking about this market's got to come back, this market come back. The thing is, the market did come back, folks. It had its correction, and now it's going to go and go and go some more. And if it's as long between this correction and the next one, it could go another year. So, hey, put your bear claws away. This is a bull market. This is a bull market on steroids. You can see here what happened. This red line represents resistance that I put in here. I believe that this was very critical. And once we got through that red line, this thing was really going to scream. It screamed today. It screamed about 126 points. So this market is a long ways to go. It's a screaming bull. Let me show you some charts here. Okay, you know, I can't show everything. As I say, we got too much good stuff. But here, this is Endeavor Silver, and we had bought this yesterday. It really didn't close with anything on yesterday's close, but look at this big cap we had this morning, and it did pull back, and then it actually went up and closed almost on its highs. And I think we're holding like $4,000 in Endeavor Silver. Just a great trade. I'll show you another. This one really blew my mind. This is in Gastar Exploration. I think I called it Gastar Drilling yesterday. It's Gastar Exploration, and we've had this trade. We're taking this trade into 4 days. That's pretty unusual for us. we had bought this back on Wednesday. It had actually closed against us on Wednesday, and then yesterday it showed some more promise, but today it just really exploded, and we're holding over $7,000 in GasStar Exploration. And the other thing that I like to look at this chart is, I told you we had a fair amount of trades fade on us. They were really good on the open, and then they kind of came back quite a bit. Bishops was one of those. I mean, we closed out with $3,000, but I think it was up almost to $8,000 at one time. But anyway, that one faded, but this one did not fade. This is one of those trades that we actually have increased our profits significantly by just hanging on to it. And you can see it pretty much gained throughout the day. And as I say, we're holding over $7,000 on GasStar. So, folks, this was one of the best weeks I can remember ever in trading, and I've been trading a long time. I mean, it was just like nothing we did was wrong this week. Fabulous week. Anyway, so I am happy. Wish you all a happy Valentine's. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.